If you're encountering the lab access denied issue on Cloud Academy, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your labs. Step 1. Check your subscription status. Ensure that your Cloud Academy subscription is active and that you have access to the labs included in your plan. Log into your account and verify your subscription details. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause access issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try accessing the lab again. Step 3. Use a supported browser. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and check if you can access the lab. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Cloud Academy support team. Provide them with details about the problem, including any error messages to expedite the troubleshooting process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the lab access denied issue and continue your learning on Cloud Academy. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.